Hello everyone, this is Nishnath from Hyderabad studying ninth class in Vignan School. Today I have prepared an app for National Coding and Robotic Competition held by SPRW Robotics at the category of seniors, and the topic is shopping mall. Let's get started with my app. As you can see, this is the home page of the app and the user interface of the app. In this home page you can see there are ads which will showcase the things inside the mall, and there is also a menu option at the top left of the app. By pressing the top left corner of the app, you can open a sidebar which contains all the things present in the app, all the pages you can go, starting from clothing, groceries, games, and etc. We will start with clothing. As as you can see, there are three shops already added in clothing section. You can add more by at the user interface of the app. The apps which should be added will be shown to the each and every user of this app. Same with the groceries also. You can see there are already few apps added, and same with the games and etc. There is also a feature called location of the map, in which you can see the location where the shopping mall is present. And there is also a feature called locate me, which will show your location where you are present, and you can compare the distance between you and the shopping mall by zooming out or taking in depth route. There is also a feature called navigate, which will open Google Maps and navigate you to the mall. There is Let's get into the admin section of the app, or the admin user interface. You have to type in the admin username and the password. The username of admin is ncrc and the password is 123098. By pressing the right password, you will be redirected into the redirected into the page. By pressing a wrong password, like I am doing right now, you will be displayed an error message called the username or the password is incorrect, as you can see. Now I will enter the right password, and you will be directed into the user interface of the app. As you can see, in this user interface there are many options, like adding a shop or changing the advertisement is displayed on the home page. Let's first start with adding a clothing shop. Adding a clothing shop in the add clothing shop section. As you can see, in this page you have to write the shop name and the location where the shop is present, and your contact details, as I am doing right now. Once you have entered the details, you have to press the save button, which is at the bottom, and you will be redirected to the clothing section of the app. Or if you want to cancel the if you want to cancel adding a shop, you can press back. As you can see, these are demo which I demo shops which I have added in earlier, and they are also displayed. So you can see that if you add an empty blank, it will be showing empty. So don't do the mistake of adding an empty thing. As you can see, there is the shop we added is added to the clothing section. So let's get into the main section and try adding an advertisement. Okay, wait for me to log in into that admin section. Now there are two options in the add advertisement section. The You have to pick the image you want to display in the advertisement, and the text you want to display in the advertisement. I'm picking a random text, and you have to click on the save button to display your advertisement in the home page. After clicking, it will be directed you into the admin section. You can go